Hello everyone, and welcome to today's tutorial video. The next thing I want to show you is how to deploy AI model from DLHUB to different programming environments. And in this video, we will use LabVIEW environment as an example. Before deployment, we need to prepare. First, your computer must have LabVIEW 64-bit and 2018 version at minimum, and installed JKIVI Package Manager add-on. Next, we go to the ANS Center website. After purchasing the DLHUB LabVIEW license, access the Personal Portal. At the API download section, click to download the DLAPI and DLHUB LabVIEW Runtime Engine. Then we proceed to install these two programs. With this two software being installed, user can integrate their AI model into LabVIEW. After installing all the software and libraries as required, open LabVIEW and create a blank VI. In the block diagram window, right-click and open DLAPI. These are VI created by ANS Center that will help you to interact with AI model. In the Find example, if you choose Directory Structure, you can find many sample projects in ANS Center folder. Now I will go to the main part of this video, deploying COVID detection from chest X-ray images into LabVIEW environment. This project has already been created, and you can download it in the course's training material. Now I will launch it. As you can see, an error has occurred, and we'll click on Show Details. LabVIEW notifies that JKI State Machine Library is missing. So I will close this project. Go to Tool and open VI Package Manager. Search the keyword JKI State Machine, then install this library. Now we restart the project. So the error has been fixed. This is the LabVIEW system architecture of our AI system. Now just click Run the program. And then, we browse to the test dataset directory. So here I have enough test datasets to check the system's accuracy and inference. After a few tests, it can be seen that our system has given near accurate predictions in just about 0.04 seconds with each sample. So we have successfully deployed the COVID detection system on LabVIEW software. With deep learning systems with similar structures, you can follow the exact same steps as I've shown to design and deploy your AI model. Thank you for watching.